gosh, my truck is ruined. First world problems. Okay, so the truck's not completely ruined, guys. What happened is this morning on my way to work, it was definitely a Monday. I wake up, get ready, give the family love. I get in and I'm on my way. Well, I reached down to grab my coffee cup. I took me a nice small sip because it was still pretty hot. And Monday strikes. The cup slips out of my hand as I'm going down the road, and coffee spills everywhere. But luckily, the truck was my grandfather's before I had it, and whenever he had it, he put an extra layer of carpet on top of the stock carpet, so that took most of the spill, and now it just smells like coffee in my truck. So I guess it's not too terribly bad, but you know, first world problems. I gotta cry a little bit. Oh, boo-hoo. Alright guys, so what's up? Today is Monday and I got a day off, which I'm excited about. I actually got up and went to work this morning, not realizing that today was my day off, and when I walked in they were like, "What are you doing here?" And I realized, and I was like, "Oh, bye." So I come home, and earlier in the video you'll know that I was talking about spilling coffee in the floor of my truck. Well, I'm going to show you what I just did. So I've completely forgot to turn the camera on to actually show the process, but there's little screws right down here. So there's little screws right down there, and I just took those up, and there was a layer of carpet all across here, all the way across. And right here is where my coffee spilled the other day. Guys, remember, this is an old truck, and you know, it doesn't have cup holders. Now, like I said, what I did was I pulled the carpet out and I vacuumed it so it looks a little bit better, and I've actually entered the truck in its first car show. That's right, first ever car show. Now, it's not a big car show, I guess you could say. It's not a fancy car show. The truck is not a show truck by any means, not even close. Wait a minute. I'll be back in just a minute, guys. I realized I just forgot something.
A few moments later.
Okay, so where was I? Oh yeah. The truck is not a show truck by any means. If you guys were wondering, I forgot my wallet and I need some gas. Anyway, squirrel. Yeah, the truck is not a show truck by any means. It's an old truck. It's not quite an antique. It will be an antique soon though. It's at a local barbecue shop. It's a little hole in the wall barbecue place. It's brand new. We're actually going to drive by here in just a second, but they're having their first annual car show, and they're going to try to do it every year, and it's going to be local cars. And I mean, I hope there's a good turnout, and you know, I hope there's a lot of cars there. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Oh, the life of a volunteer fireman. listen for every tone that goes out to make sure it's not you. Right here is the barbecue shop, right here on your left. It's called the Saucy Pig Barbecue, and it's really good. I mean, it is really, really good. My wife and I have ate there twice now, and I mean, it's cheap, it's good. It's the barbecue sauce is phenomenal. I'm a really, really picky barbecue sauce guy, but I'm from the South, so I get to be picky. But this place, the sauce is really good. Honestly, it kind of tastes like, if you ever had sweet and sour sauce from a Chinese restaurant, that's kind of what it tastes like, except with a little barbecue twist to it. And I like Chinese food, I like barbecue, so it's a perfect combo. I know you guys are probably thinking that the audio is not that great on my videos. I've actually ordered a mic to plug into my GoPro, and it actually should be here today. I would stick around and wait on it, but I got other stuff that I need to do today. But it should be here today, so Monday's video should be better quality, hopefully. We'll see. But yeah, I got a mic coming, so hopefully it'll be better. Well, crap. I just realized I'm sitting here talking and I missed the fuel station, so I guess I'm gonna turn around because that's the cheapest fuel in the area. The barbecue place, if you're local in the North Mississippi area, I'll go ahead and put their address. I'll put the address in the description. If you're local to North Mississippi, or if you just are a big barbecue fan and you want to travel to Mississippi to try barbecue, then I guess have at it. So we're filled up. There it is. Filled up. And we'll go ahead and reset the mile. So, if you guys are wondering, if you can see it, maybe. The truck has 263,808 miles. All original. Kind of hard to believe, I know. But when you take care of your stuff, that's what happens. I'm gonna head to Walmart and let's see how much it's gonna be to get some sunglasses. I wear glasses, so I need to see about prescription and see how much they're gonna be. Can't buy them from the eye doctor because they're too expensive. So yeah. We'll go see how much they are. I'm gonna go eat lunch with the wife. I think there's something else I need to do, but I can't remember. But I'll holler at you guys here in just a little bit. Okay guys, so if anybody remembers back 2 or 3 years ago when all those tornadoes did so much damage in the Mid-South area, this right here, this little area that I'm driving through right now was actually the direct path of the tornado. And you can tell from the trees, you might not be able to, But it's still a long way from what it actually was. A lot of the houses have been built back. Of them, you know, the people, they never did build back. And so even though we just went through the tornado area, I got another story. Right here off to your left hand side where this field is, also back a few years ago, my wife and I were actually living in Florida at the time, and my dad calls me and tells me that our fire truck has just had a wreck. And I'm thinking, you know, oh crap, you know, our fire truck's done, we're gonna have to order a new one, all this kind of stuff. Now, what actually happened, and I'm not going to go into the department, I'm not going to go into names, you know, it's too much. One of our firemen picked up our truck and was drunk when he picked the truck up and ended up running out into that field and getting stuck. Needless to say, he was arrested and is no longer on the fire department. Just a quick little story I thought I would share. People do not know how to park around here. I appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Have a great day.